Hello, I'm Kevin from Untied, the UK's personal tax app, with a tax tea break looking at the way the tax year works. This isn't just a tax year for individuals, because the same time period is used to budget and report on the nation's finances. To do this, I'm joined by my friend Seth, and we'll start by looking at something we all know, which is the calendar year. Of course, this runs from the 1st of January to the 31st of December. 2020 felt like it went on forever, but at some point there was a new year and we transitioned to 2021 and 2022. The tax year, though, doesn't map directly onto the calendar year. It starts on the 6th of April. This confuses many people, including Seth, and it goes back to a change in calendar in this country 270 years ago. The tax year runs until the 5th of April in the following year. So the 2020 to 21 tax year went from the 6th of April 2020 to the 5th of April 2021. We're now in the 2021 to 22 tax year, which ends on the 5th of April this year, and so on. Let's look at the 2020 to 21 tax year in more detail. Most people don't notice the change in tax year because tax is taken off automatically by their employer, and there's nothing for them to report. For around about 12 million people, though, they do need to tell HMRC, the UK tax authority, what they've earned, and the way they do this is through something called a tax return. You may also see this referred to as self-assessment, and if you need to do this, you'll be reporting all your income sources, whether that's self-employment, property income, investments, or even the employment income you've already paid tax on. Generally, there'll be no further tax to pay on your employment income, but HMRC still need to know about it to match with their records. You'll be reporting what you earned during that tax year, so between April and April. And at the end of the year, there is a filing period. You normally have until the 31st of January to file. This year, though, because of COVID, HMRC have effectively extended the filing date to the end of February. So you need to file by the 28th of February and pay your taxes by the 1st of April in order to avoid any penalties. HMRC will tell you what you need to pay after you file your tax return. The payment schedule is quite complicated, so look out for another tax tea break on how that works. We're now in the 2021 to 22 tax year. It ends on the 5th of April this year. There will then be a filing period. If you want to get it done early, you can file first thing in the morning on the 6th of April, so the day after the end of the tax year. But if you want to take your time, you have until the 31st of January 2023 to complete your filings. So here's a summary. Tax years run from April to April. If you need to file for the 2020 to 21 tax year and you haven't done so yet, you need to get going. The cut-off for avoiding penalties is the 28th of February. Even if you've missed that, still file promptly because that will keep the penalties as low as possible. You don't need to file yet for the 2021 to 22 tax year. So if you became self-employed after April 2021, there's nothing to do quite yet. These tax years can seem quite complicated, and that's why we've built Untied to work a lot of this out automatically for you. From Seth and from me, we hope you've enjoyed this tax tea break from Untied.